medyo nahihiya ako to take this as my first episode, but since we're here, so let's make it. So, hello everyone, it's me, Kenny. Or should I say, it's Bahagi with Kenji, and right now, I am actually reviving my podcast series or my podcast journey here on my YouTube channel. And right now, I am like literally shy because it's my first time like shooting outside our house. I mean, a first speaking video outside our house. That's why I am conscious right now, but thankfully, Tita gave me permission to shoot at this pharmacy. Like walking distance from our house, it is called the RX Pharmacy. So thank you so much everyone. So kung nako-conscious kayo bakit yung mic ko nasa salamin ko, it is because para malesen yung galaw if dito sa damit ko or sa pen ko. So just bear with me please. And if ayaw nyo talaga, so leave this. Just joking. So yeah. First of all, I brought, hindi ko siya binili dito, I brought fries because actually, I, medyo ka-close natin yung tindera here. That's why, kinapalan ko na yung mukha ko to ask if I can shoot my video here. So yeah. So introduction muna, I am still 17-year-old. I am grade 12 film student. And wala lang akong magawa sa buhay and I am trying to overcome my fear na mag-shoot outside my comfort zone. So, marami nakakilala sa akin as very extrovert person daw, but di nila alam na super ko nahihiya when I am alone. And at the same time, gusto kong gumawa ng video na and at the same time, gusto ko mag-spend ng time with myself. Like, with myself only. So, para sa itong video na to, I think just a simple introduction. And I think ito rin yung magiging diary ko. Because ilang months na lang I will turn 18. And when I'm 18, I think I will make another video again of me introducing my 18 years old self. So yeah. Actually, matatapos na ang 2024 and isa sa mga bucket list ko was actually having a podcast channel. Nasa vision board ko siya at makikita siya here. Ayan, nag-flash na ba siya? And gusto kong matapos yung year na wala kang pinagsisisihan. That's why I am shooting outside right now. And like na pinapromise sa inyo that I will make a speaking video but hindi siya natutuloy. So I think this is a great opportunity for me to shoot outside our house. Some of you may know na may podcast na ako before and it is Bahagi with Kenny. And I can say na tinamad ako mag-upload ng podcast. It's because walang tahimik na area sa bahay namin. And at the same time, ay simula lang ako magaling. So I don't know if may episode to pa tong podcast na to. So if meron, sinipag ako. And if not, I guess another miss. Ayan, sorry if nabago man yung camera angle. At the same time, yung nag-cut yung video, it's because may bumili at nahihiya pa ako right now. So who knows, malay mo, on the 10th, 12th, or pang ilang episode man to, like walang kaya na ako dito. But at the same time, ayoko po maka-istorbo sa pagbebenta nila here. And nga pala, malapit ng Christmas. And ilang days na lang ba? 6 days na lang before mag-Christmas. So, anong plan nyo guys? Saan kayo celebrate with your family? Actually, may tradition kami, magkakaibigan. Ako si Altay at si Jetro. We are always celebrating Christmas together. And yeah, tatlong taon na namin siyang ginagawa and sana hindi maputol yung streak na yon. Sana mahanapan namin ng time if busy ang isa't isa or may personal na kakaimahan ng isa't isa. Sana hindi siya mag-stop. Kasi syempre may family ang isa't isa. Pero sana bigyan namin ng time to, celebrate it together again as always in always.